Hey guys, so Samsung is all set to unleash the S23 series in a few hours, and the S23 Ultra is gonna annihilate Apple, Xiaomi and Pixel with its top-notch specs and cameras. So we have seen official images, we saw posters, and even the unboxing of S23 Ultra flagship. It is coming in same S22-ish stunning design but a hideous slim package and okayish main color options. Like we have grayish green which is decent, but pinkish and yellowish color are like dull, and black one is always a classic finish. The only savior to this is Samsung online exclusive colors likely red, blue and I wish a purple finish too. Samsung is also launching an official rugged case for S23 Ultra and it looks super cool and tough. Yeah, it is made using military grade material, so is rough and tough. So this device is gonna be the best in class flagship with custom 8 Gen 2 silicon, fast storage and powerful RAM with a decent heat dissipation system. The icing on cake is One UI 5.1 and these are some exciting changes we'll see in the latest OS. So we are seeing a new battery and weather widget, and there are so many exciting new design to pick from. We have setting suggestion, some more options in lock screen customization and fast setup screen for quick transfer of apps and data from your old device to the new Samsung Galaxy. Finally, Bixby text calls is coming and it's gonna answer your calls.
Bixby will answer call on your behalf and share messages that you type with the caller, speaking out loud as if you'd answered. Then Bixby will share what the caller is saying to you in text format, allowing you to continue responding via text without having to speak out loud.
So all you have to do is type in some text and it is gonna speak for you in English or Korean. This is the final official spec sheet of the S23 series. So 1440p resolution on S23 Ultra, 1080p on S23 and S23 Plus, which is a shame. 1750 nits of brightness for all with 120Hz smooth display. Samsung is using same camera sensor of S22 in S23 and S23 Plus, but the S23 Ultra is getting a massive jump, and we saw in live images how good that main 200 megapixel camera is. There's 5000 mAh battery with 8 Gen 2 which may give all day battery life, and S23 Plus 4700 mAh may go even longer cause of low resolution display. So this all guys, the near final pricing is as follows for the US and Europe. No hike in the US pricing, but Europe and other countries are getting a hike in the price, which is shocking. Yeah, I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below, and thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe and peace out.